podcast. It's all there on my website, TomSullivan.com.
Member of Congress to vote in support of impeachment after being impeached.
America more compassionate.
In the earlier days, the radios had such push switches, which has been replaced with the small push switches with the logic gates or ICs. So these mechanical switches aren't the normal switch, but they work as a logic gates too. The very first switch works as 0, hence whenever I press the first switch it opens the whole switches, while the rest of the switches can be used as zeros or ones, but we cannot put one in two of the switches at once. And this is the contact surface where the single strip passing through all the switches. This strip can be anode or cathode. Let me show you in the circuit. I will put these LEDs in series with the switches, and for power source I am using these two AA size batteries. So let's see how it works in circuit. As you see, only one LED can be on at once. Okay, hope you found it informative and sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.